Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Let's have a look at tiger's eye and its wonderful healing properties. What can it be used for? What are the places to source a really good high quality tiger's eye? So tiger's eye is a wonderful brown and gold crystal, and mostly it occurs in the brown color, and brown has been known to help with grounding. Any crystal that's colored brown is to help with grounding, to help in giving a comforting and centering energy. And it's also known to help with earthing as well. If you're familiar with the healing practice of earthing, you can also combine brown crystals such as smoky quartz, such as tiger's eye, to help with the earthing process, or helping you to ground your energies that way, but we'll get to that later on. Let's briefly have a look at the history of tiger's eye, as well as the formations. How is it formed? Well, tiger's eye is basically a variety of chalcedony, which is also a quartz that contains tiny micro crystals, and it's also made up of small brown and yellow fibers that's formed in layers, and it really helps to reflect in the light, my apologies, in an unusual way. And apart from that, it's a wonderful stone to have. It can be abundantly found in Myanmar, India, Australia, and South Africa. It has been used in medieval times, which is used as a wonderful protection against evil eye, or so it has been thought during the medieval times. So the wonderful healing properties of tiger's eye, it does come with its own warnings, unfortunately, but we'll get to that. The wonderful healing properties of tiger's eye is its ability to help with grounding, its ability to help with help with centering our energies as well. Helping with creativity is a wonderful thing that I've noticed myself when I do work with tiger's eye. It helps to bring ideas into reality. It helps with abundance. It basically, when you embark on a new path of expansion, or you want to expand your business, or you want to expand a particular thing that you're doing, your work, it helps to give stability and helps also with grounding. So you're focused on goal setting, you're focused on a particular course of action that you need to take, but at the same time it gives a relaxing, calming vibe as well. And it's really helpful for inducing sleep. It's also wonderful to be used on the solar plexus area, or the abdomen, because it gives off the ability to help to give off the balancing vibe, the harmonious vibe to our emotional and physical energies that way. Now, a little warning here that with some people, not everyone, using tiger's eye, you might notice an increase in headaches. You might notice some not heart palpitations, but like you do notice that you get more frustrated. Unfortunately, with some people that does occur, and I have noticed some wearers do complain of that, where they do feel frustrated. They do feel an increase in migraines or an increase in headaches when they are using tiger's eye. What I do advise in this case is, if you do notice any sort of physical symptoms associated with tiger's eye, then just let it go for a little bit. If you're wearing it every day, it's not advised to wear tiger's eye every day for the majority of people. Use it only when you intend to. Use it with intention, and use it, for example, if you have a specific goal in mind, such as helping with goal setting, or helping you to be more creative. Use it only during the times that you really need it, during the hours that you work in, or during a particular time when you're handling a task or a project, and you want that, extra creative spark or extra focus as well. So that would be a wonderful alternative. Or otherwise, if you do continue to feel like it's not working for you, or if you have headaches, then please leave it aside and use a more gentle form of crystal, such as rose quartz, or you might want to look at lepidolite as well. It provides that comforting energy associated with that. So tiger's eye can be a bit too pushy with its energy, a bit too hyper focused. Some people do notice, but otherwise, if you do react well with tiger's eye, then it's a wonderful stone to use to help with abundance, and to help with giving you the ability to focus as well on the task at hand. So if you've enjoyed today's video, hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about tiger's eye healing properties. I've previously done videos about tiger's eye in specific aspects as well as my own experience using this wonderful gemstone. Before I get started, I would just like to know what you think about conversational videos such as this one. Would you like to see more conversational videos, or would you like more shorter videos, to the point, bold, and with captions as well? So let me know in the comment section. I am thinking of changing around the channel a little bit to see what you guys prefer. So let's get started with this wonderful gemstone, tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is a type of chalcedony, and it's basically one of the best crystals for the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra as well, and it's connected to the zodiac sign of Capricorn. The planet that it represents is the sun, and the element is fire and earth. The numerical vibration is the number 4, and the typical colors and the varieties are golden, brown, blue, and red. Now, the symbolism behind tiger's eye is that it is a stone symbolizing protection. Tiger's eye has been believed to bring good luck to the wearer in specific cultures such as the Chinese culture, and it represents things such as protection, clear thinking, personal empowerment, integrity, willpower, practicality, grounding, power, courage, and grace. It has been believed to help with focusing the mind, promoting mental clarity, assisting to resolve problems objectively and unclouded by emotions. Really, really useful for healing psychosomatic illnesses, getting rid of fear and anxiety. It is really useful also for recognizing your own needs in relation to the needs of others. Balancing yin-yang and energizing the emotional body. It helps to stabilize mood swings, helps us strengthen our willpower, our purpose, our courage, and our self-confidence, and also releases tension. Tiger's eye treats also on a physical level. It helps with problems to do with the eyes, the throat, and reproductive organs. It is also being believed to help in the process of releasing toxins, alleviating pain, and also great to use if you have any sort of broken bones, or you are in the process of aligning the spinal column, and it helps to strengthen that as well. Tiger's eye comes in different colors, and it comes in a blue, a red, and a golden as well. Let's have a look at the attributes of the blue tiger's eye. It's connected to the throat chakra, and it represents the element of air. And it's really calming, and it's also thought to release stress. It aids the quick-tempered and over-anxious and phobic, slows the metabolism, causes problems with the reproductive system also, and it dissolves frustrations. How about the red tiger's eye? It represents the base chakra. Its element is fire, and it is a very, very stimulating stone. It also has been believed to overcome fatigue, and it provides motivation. It speeds up a slow metabolism, perfect for losing weight on an energetic level. Thank you so much for watching till then. Here are 10 fun facts about tiger's eye. Fact number 1. Tiger's eye is a type of quartz crystal that is known for its striking golden, brown, and black bands. The stone gets its name from its resemblance to the eye of a tiger, with its unique striping effects. The tiger's eye is found in many parts of the world, including South Africa, Australia, Brazil, and the United States. Tiger's eye is often associated with the solar plexus chakra, which is believed to be the center of personal power and self-confidence. It is also believed to have several healing properties, including helping to boost self-confidence, promoting mental clarity and enhancing willpower and determination. Tiger's eye is a popular stone for jewelry making and is often used in bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. In ancient times, tiger's eye was often carried by warriors as a talisman for protection and courage. It is also the birthstone for the zodiac sign Leo, and it is also associated with the astrological signs of Capricorn and Gemini. Tiger's eye is often given as a gift to loved ones, as it is said to symbolize strength, courage, and personal power. It is also believed to have the ability to deflect negative energy, making it a very popular stone for those who practice energy healing and meditation.